Admissions open in second phase. Highly qualified and experienced teaching staff. FA, FSc, ICS, ADA, ADS, MA English, MA Urdu, MA Economics, MA Political Science, and now in MA History also. BS Urdu, BS Economics, BS Political Science, and now in BS English also. For details, please contact 0454920041 or visit Office of the Principal, Government Graduate College, Johorabad.